That was not a performance. Hey, are you going to sing Daddy a song again?
Okay.
Okay, come on over here. I got the eye of the tiger. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's all that? Come on over here, Booga. Now you're going to hide out. Sophie, are you going to roar, honey? Roar. Oh, 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 oh. How many uh-oh-ohs are there? Sophie, where are you? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby, honey?
It's baby.
Where's the baby? Can you sing Daddy a song, honey? You like that part?
Yay!
Where's the eye of the tiger, honey?
Hooray!
Whoa. Sing, sweetie. Uh-oh, we went dark here. How does that happen? Got some light sensitivity there. You got your fork?
No.
No, I think you do actually.
Fork.
We have we have to have a talk about.
Pencil.
You want Pensit?
Okay.
I don't think we have any Pensit. I can try to look for some. How about fried rice instead?
Okay.
You like that idea? Okay. Where are you going now? Are you looking for snacks, honey?
No.
No? Well, why are you looking at the shelf that is full of snacks?
Sack.
Huh? Do you like to say no, Sophie? Sophie, so.
Sack.
Oh, what's that?
A mango.
Mango? Where did you get that? This is actually not mango. This is, well, yeah, it is actually. It's export quality dried mangoes. How do you know this is mangoes? How did you know that? Can you spell it?
Eat. Eat, Daddy, eat.
Eat mangoes? Okay.
Okay.
We could try some later. I think, did Mommy already open some of these before?
No.
Are you sure?
Open, Daddy.
Oh my goodness. I could get in a lot of trouble for that, you know. Probably not, but I'd like to tell you that because that gets me off the hook, right? Probably not. So where's your mangoes?
Eat.
You want me to open it right now? Okay. All right. Okay. That's one way to do it. You want to try to open it yourself? Here, you open it. Why don't you open it and then we'll eat it together, okay? Does that sound like a plan? Please don't break your special fork, though. Okay. Do you want me to show you how I might open it if I was going to open it for you?
Daddy, open it.
Okay, you just want me to open it and not show you? Why don't I show you? Here. Hold on to this piece on the bottom. Hold it in your hand. Ready? Okay, and I'll hold the top one. Now hold it. Okay, don't let go.
No.
Yeah, don't let go. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Now you gotta hold it. You gotta hold it like I said. Actually, let's do this side where it says chair here. Okay, you ready? Try again. Okay, hold it on the bottom. Hold it. Hold it. No, hold right here. Hold it really tight. No, down here, Puga. Hold this one. Hold with your hand. Hold it. Okay, ready? Here we go. Ready? Let's work together. Okay, here we go. No, hold it. Hold it. Hold it right there. Hold it with your hand. Okay, ready? Wow, you did it. Look. Good job. Wow. Hold it. Okay, good job. All right. Ready to eat?
Okay.